Chapter 3 Windows 10. Hello children. Today you will learn how to use a computer that has a Windows 10 operating system. When we sit in front of the computer and turns it on, the operating system begins running behind the scenes, managing the different programs and processes. Some of the commonly used operating systems are Windows, Mac, and Linux. Fact: the operating system is a software that handles the function of the computer to make sure everything is working together. Most personal computers or PCs come with a version of the Windows operating system. Windows 10 is the presently used version of Windows operating system. Do you know Bill Gates is the founder of Microsoft company? Working from the Windows desktop. The Windows desktop is similar to the top of a desk you would find in an office or home. For example, on your desk at work, you keep folders with papers in them and other items that you need to get things done, such as a calculator for calculations and a pen for writing. Similarly, on Windows desktop, you can see different files, folders, and applications in the form of icons. By double-clicking, you can open them right from the desktop. Fact: Windows allows what you see is what you get. Environment: applications on the computer. Applications are the softwares or tools that allow you to do things on the computer. Some applications allow you to work on text documents like Word, and others allow you to do things like edit pictures or access the internet. Taskbar. Taskbar is located at the bottom of the screen. It shows shortcut icons for commonly used applications, much like the icons on the desktop. Just a single click on the taskbar icon will open the application. The taskbar also shows an icon for any task or program that is currently open. You can use these buttons on the taskbar to switch between different windows you have opened. Information like date, time, and volume control are also found on the right edge of the taskbar. Clicking on the Windows icon in the taskbar. The taskbar also includes the Windows icon. Clicking on this opens the Start menu. The Start menu provides access to all the programs on the computer, even if there is no shortcut on the desktop. Clicking once on any of these applications will open them. Clicking on your name in the Start menu will open a menu where you can change your user account settings or log off the computer. Clicking on the Start menu will change the Start menu to list all the applications in alphabetical order. Files and folders. A computer file stores information that an application can access. The information can include text like letter, picture, video, or music. Just like an application, there are a number of ways by which you can open a file. You can open files from the desktop, from folders, or other shortcuts on the computer. Every time you open a file, it will open inside a related software application. A folder provides a method for holding and organizing files. Double-clicking a folder will show you the files inside that folder. Deleting files. If you are completely done with a file and do not need it again, you can delete it. Here is one of the ways to delete a file. Left-click once to select it. Then press the Delete key on your keyboard. Now the file is inside the recycle bin. The recycle bin is a temporary holding place for the files that have been deleted. Just like a recycle or trash bin at your home, the contents stay in the bin until you empty the trash and take it out. If you move a file to the recycle bin and later realize that you want to keep the file, you can still get the file back as long as you have not emptied the recycle bin. To check the content of the recycle bin, double-click on the icon. A window opens that lists the files. To keep a file after all, click on the file and hold the mouse button down while dragging the file to the desktop or other location where you want to keep it. When you are certain that you are done with everything in the recycle bin, you can empty it by permanently delete those files. One of the ways to empty the recycle bin is to right-click over the icon and click on Empty Recycle Bin. The recycle bin will be empty. Let's recall. The operating system is the software that handles the functions of the computer. Some of the commonly used operating systems are Windows, Mac, and Linux. The Windows desktop is similar to the top of a desk you would find in an office. Applications are softwares or tools that allow you to do things on the computer. The taskbar shows shortcut icons for commonly used applications. A computer file stores information that an application can access. A folder provides a method for holding and organizing files. The recycle bin is a temporary holding place for the files that have been deleted.